When I clean my guns, I get in a lot of trouble. Especially now that I'm trying to teach the boy how to clean guns. And he's messy. But I get in trouble because I leave oil solvents all over the place. So I got this from 2WOD. And it is a cleaning mat. It was about $29. So it wasn't the cheapest thing in the world. But it's a waterproof mat that is embossed or painted on with all the parts of a rifle to help you clean. I know when I was in boot camp in the Marines, we got a big towel that had the AR parts painted on it, and you would lay your parts on there to make sure everything was there when you were taking it apart. But also, if it was just a mat, a waterproof, it's neoprene, and then it's got a waterproof thing, and then it's got more neoprene on it, and it's got this nice stitching. But if that's all there was for $30, I would be a little upset. But it also came with a cleaning kit that has patches and oil, a pull-through cleaning string, which is pretty cool, and then all your rods, and an all-purpose brush. So it's got a cleaning kit and one of these pull-through swabs, which I really like, and the mat. So that for $29 is not bad, and it lets me clean my gun in such a way that my wife does not get mad at me for leaving a mess on the kitchen floor or kitchen table. So that's not bad. I highly recommend it.